US dollar against Japanese yen this week has risen in value and then fell in value. We can see the price started the week with a gap here, and then the price formed 3 candles in a row, indecision candles. But first of all, the price has opened the day and then returned back down just to close the gap, and then 3 days was indecision, and on Thursday price formed this bearish candle going all the way to 151.66 support level and then bouncing back up. The week has closed as a indecision candle with a small body with a smaller wick on the upper side, larger wick on the lower side, but the price did not return below 151.66, which is a very important information for the bulls. A month has closed as a bullish candle, and also a bullish candle that has formed 2 bullish breakouts. First bullish breakout was above 144.39 and the second one is above 148.90, which is a great information for the bulls because it has changed the market conditions. We can see that from the bearish sentiment turned into bullish sentiment. So what we can expect for this month is that the price could return back down all the way to 149.87 just to confirm this previous resistance acting now as a support. And the target is, if the price goes above, which is currently suggesting that the price will continue to rise value, first resistance level that needs to be broken, and the target is 154.42. So 154.42 is the first target before 157. Weekly time frame shows me that the first resistance is 154, which I have just mentioned, the month time frame that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value. This candle formation is showing me that this is suggesting further rise in value unless we can see the price form a bearish candle going below 151.66. If that happens, this will be a bearish signal suggesting further decline in value. This is the weekly time frame, but the daily we can see that the price has held here, was held here because of the strong support level 151.66, and there is a probability that the price will continue to rise in value, reaching 154.70, which is a very important resistance. But we need to see the price forming this bullish breakout above, going higher. So in order to define where the price will go in the next week, I need to see a price forming a bullish breakout here or bearish breakout here. So for now I am waiting outside because we can see the price was jumping between these 2 price levels for the last 2 weeks. We can see that. So it needs to be clear breakout in order to define where the price will go in the future. But I am more inclined, based on the weekly and also the monthly time frame, I am more inclined to see the price going higher than I am to see the price going lower. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.